What's your name?
Marcelo.
You are Marcelo. High five, Marcelo. And how old are you? How old are you? 2. Very good, Marcelo. Do you know who's this here?
Dad.
That's Daddy. Yes. Daddy wants to be here with you. Let's see. Daddy's gonna be there. Yes. Hello, Daddy. Say hello,
Hello.
to Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
And you know who's this girl here? Let's see. Look. Mommy. You're gonna say hello, Mommy? Okay. And you know who's this boy here?
Matheo.
Matheo. And who's Matheo? Matheo is your brother.
Yeah.
Yes, Matheo is your brother. You want to put Matheo here or here with Mommy and Daddy?
Matheo.
Next to Marcelo? Yes? Now, Mommy have a surprise for you. You want a surprise?
Yeah.
Yes! Look. Oh my God, what happened with Matheo? Did Matheo fall down?
Whoa.
Oh my God, what's that?
America.
Captain America?
But turn her back.
Let me see.
Oh,
Oh,
who is the other guy?
and this one?
America.
And who is that?
Iron
Iron Man.
Man.
Yes. You want to put the cake?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God, you're Iron Man. Do like Iron Man. And what else do you have there? Let's see. You have something else over there?
It's math.
A mask! Oh my God! You have a mask! You're gonna put the mask? Yes. Sit down. Good. Let me see. Oh, sit down. Mommy have another surprise for you. You want another surprise? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Really? Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
Whoa.
Whoa! What's that?
Right.
A surprise! Yes, that's a surprise for Marcelo.
It's Thor.
Who?
It's Thor.
Danon, are you sure?
Thor.
Who is that? Oh, unboxing.
It's math.
It's
Who is
who?
that?
Thor.
Thor.
Thor?
Really? That's Thor.
Yeah.
Wow. Unbox that. Oh, you got a sticker? Oh, who is that?
It's Thor.
Yeah,
Thor?
it's Thor.
Open.
So nice.
Open Thor.
Open Thor. Go. Wow.
You're strong? Are you strong?
Yeah.
Really?
Thor.
Oh my God. Yes, you're so strong. You need some help?
Oh, it's so hard to open
No.
the box.
Marcelo can do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Marcelo can do it.
It's Thor.
It's too hard.
Is Danon?
It's Thor. It's
Down
Thor.
from the top.
It's Thor.
It's Danon, are you sure?
Is down or is Thor?
Who's inside?
Who is inside?
Thor.
Yes, Thor. So nice. Wow, Thor is coming out of the box. Whoa! Yay!
Look. Whoa, you're so strong, Marcelo.
Let me see Thor. Marcelo. Wow. Oh, he has a sword? Yes. Put the sword in his hand. Wow.
That's Thor?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Thor.
What?
It's
Oh.
Thor.
Stand up. Thor
I don't
next
know.
to you, Marcelo.
Look.
Wow, we got another surprise.
Oh, we have Thor. And who else? Who's inside that box? I don't know. We have Thor here.
I got America.
Really? there.
Yes.
Really? Marcelo is sure that is Captain America over there. Yeah, do it. Whoa. Very good, Marcelo. Good job.
America.
Oh, yes, Captain America. Whoa. Woohoo.
My God.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God.
Oh my God, oh my God. Let's open Captain America.
America.
It's over here.
Fire.
Yeah. Open that box. Open that box. Uh-oh, what happened? You need some help? Mom's gonna help you.
Oh, Marcelo, help you.
Marcelo's gonna help me? Or you're gonna help Captain America to get out of there?
Yes, we did it.
Yes, we did it! Woohoo! Oh, you can?
Yes.
Oh, wait, look. Yes, I have another one box for you. I have another one box for you. The last one.
Oh.
The last one. Whoa! Who's that?
Iron Man.
Oh, like you, it's Iron Man. Are you sure it's Iron Man?
Yes.
Yes, are you sure? Oh, that was fast.
Look,
No.
Wow.
What color is Iron Man? What color?
red.
It's color red. Yes.
It's open it.
You're going to open?
Yes.
Okay, let me help you.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to help you because
Look.
Yes, now?
It's Donald.
look, try. That's Danon.
No. It's Iron Man.
Iron Man.
It's Iron Man. And on the left is Captain America.
Yeah.
And who is behind Matheo?
Iron Man.
It's Thor.
Iron
It's
Man.
Thor next to
Iron Man.
That's Iron Man? Open it, open it. You're so strong.
Wow, my God.
Oh my God.
Let's run the hill.
Oh, in the box. Whoa, good. Hi, Iron Man. You want to say hi to everybody? I don't have more box inside. You want to say hi? Welcome to the real world.
Real world.
Yes, say welcome to Marcelo's real world. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, and thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. And where is Mommy? Show me. Where is Mommy? Take Mommy. Let me see Mommy. Let me see. Where is Mommy? Where is Mommy? Here I am.
Oh, mommy fall
Here
down.
I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, and thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Marcelo, where's your brother? What is the name of your brother? What is the name? What is the name? Matheo! Where is Matheo? Where is Matheo? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, and thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Now where is Iron Man? Where's Iron Man? Where is Iron Man? Where is Iron Man? Here I am.
Iron
How are you today? Say very well and thank you. Bye, 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 bye. Now where is Captain America? Where is Captain America? Where is Captain America? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Say very well and thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Where is... Who's missing? Thor! Where is Thor? Where is Thor? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well and thank you. Bye, 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 bye. Now, where is Marcelo? Where is Marcelo? Where is Marcelo? Where is Marcelo? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well and thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Let me see. Show me Daddy. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy?
Here.
There, yes.
Yes,
And
Daddy's
Mommy?
here next to you.
And where is Mommy?
Here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And brother, where is brother?
Here.
Here. Thor. Where is Thor? Yes. And where is Captain America? And where is Iron Man? Yes. So we're gonna say bye-bye to everybody, okay? We're gonna say bye-bye Captain America. Give me Captain America. Bye-bye Captain
Give
America.
Captain America to Mommy.
Thank you.
Wow.
Bye-bye Thor. Wait,
Bye-bye,
wait for
Thor.
Mommy. Wait for Mommy. And bye-bye. Who's that?
Iron Man.
Bye-bye
Iron Man,
And
yes.
now, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Thank you so much. And now, bye-bye.
Yes.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
And now, bye-bye.
Matheo.
Bye-bye,
Matheo.
Matheo, your brother. And now, look, you're gonna say subscribe and like to this. And look, try to everybody like this. Say, subscribe here. Yes, say subscribe here. And like. Say bye-bye, love you. Block
Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Please give us a subscribe and a thumbs up and share. This is Marcelo Real World. Yes?